A couple of days ago, I had the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter UPS van, and now I have the VDOP T6 Transporter UPS van. We're going to have a look. First, we're going to have a look at the package. As you can see, it is still wrapped in the plastic, brand new. Okay, here we got some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it, and we can see it's an official licensed product. That is what we like. We can see Tiny Hong Kong is active on social media. Official licensed product, yes. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Now let's open this up. And where is my knife? It's here because I used it to take this beauty out of the box. And in this box there is many new diecast. We can have a sneak peek. Of course we can have a sneak peek. Just wait till the end of the video and I show you what's in the box. But first we're going to have a look at this one right here. Box package, I like that. Oh, this is new. This wasn't with the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's in a small zakje. For protection with the tiny logo on it. Be careful to not break the zakje. Authentic rims. To be honest, I have never seen a VDOP transporter from UPS. Well, I might have seen it, but I can't remember. Heating in the back window. I like that, thank you very much. And there is a license plate on it. Probably Hong Kong license plate. And we got lensed rear lights. Same in the front, lensed front lights. And a license plate. Let's have a look in the interior. We can see it's a right-hand drive because Hong Kong used to be an English colony. It's a little bit difficult to, yeah, there it's much better. There's a radio, small display. It's all black, no colored details. But the interior looks authentic to me, which already is worth a lot. Then we have the opening part right here, and then that brings us to the base, which is a plastic base, but I love the mechanism to open the slide door. We can see the scale, 1/64 scale, again officially licensed by Volkswagen. Thank you very much, Volkswagen. The tires are not rubber but plastic. Have to check on the Mercedes-Benz if that is different. But the sliding door is still the same. Yeah. Ooh, that goes much smoother than the Mercedes-Benz. They still have the same interior, which I don't understand. Maybe in Hong Kong it's pretty normal, but I thought a UPS van should have plenty of room for packages, but apparently this is for transporting people. But the sliding door, definitely a winner. Okay, did I mention the mirror for looking back? It is somehow molded in the glass, so there is not an actually mirror, but they print it in the glass. Okay, let's have a look at the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter again. It's a couple of days ago, but it's always good to refresh your memory. And let's talk about the differences. So, hey, suspension. No suspension on the VDOP transporter. Rubber tires on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. And there is no scale on the base. I think that this one is a lot smaller than a 1/64 scale. If you look at the VW T6 transporter, it's a lot bigger. This 1/64 scale, I don't think so. I have to do a correction at the video I've made because I think I've said 1/64 scale. Definitely not, definitely not. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, pretty big car, and now I see it is definitely smaller than 1/64. Sliding was a little bit more difficult. Maybe that's only the case with this one. Maybe other ones are a lot better. There we go. Yeah, here we got 2 seats, and here we got 3 seats. A little bit difficult to see. That's a lot better. More light, thank you. Different license plate. 2735, 3535, same number. Okay, that is good. Yeah, a lot smaller. This is more 176 or something like that. Bummer. Yeah, no suspension. For the rest, it's pretty much the same. Also interior, yeah. Right-hand drive, of course, it's a different interior because it's Mercedes. Yeah, and of course I prefer the transporter because it's a 1/64 scale. But I have to say, suspension, rubber tires, yeah, the opening part. That's a little bit cooler. I was expecting suspension here, and I also was expecting rubber tires. But overall, it is good. And the sliding door is on the other side with the transporter I see now. Okay, I promise you to have a look in the box. Let's go over here. Now I have to, let's go right here. So here we can have a look in the box. So definitely going to do a review about this one. There we have a Pop Race model, more Pop Race, tarmac, have to wait for another tarmac that is coming, another Pop Race. I have a Hobby Japan with an opening part, another Inno. There is a Noref, beautiful Mini GT there. A Lamborghini Urus. A lot of cool stuff. There's also Para 64. And another Para 64. So a lot more is coming. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that. And see you soon. Bye.